When you need to precisely cut a piece of wire, sheet, or tubing, this cutter vise from Beco will help you get the job done. This vise unscrews from the top so you can insert wire or sheet into the angle you need. From there, you can use a file, abrasive, or cutters to get the exact length and cut you need. I'll show you how to use it. You can use the vise at either 45 or 90 degrees. So you loosen the screws on the top here and then pull apart the layers that fit to the size of tubing you have. Set the tubing in the slot that fits best. This is set at 45 degrees. Once the tubing is in, tighten the screws so the tubing is nice and tight in the vise. If you want to make a lot of cuts at the same time, you can use the holes at the bottom of the vise to put the stop in place. The stops come in the vise and you insert the smaller part inside the hole and tighten it into place. Sometimes you may need to use the Allen wrench to tighten the stops on the side here. And now you can cut the same length over and over. Now you're ready to cut. If you're using a blade, you can slide the blade along the surface of the vise, and the blade will glide right across the vise with no problem. You'll end up with a smooth cut every time. If you want to file it down, you can use it to either file down 45 or 90 degrees. File down until it touches the vise, but make sure you don't continuously file on the vise because it could damage your file over time. But the vise will help guide your file for a smooth cut. Order your Beco vise today at stuller.com/tools.